1 year ago, criminal charges were dropped against state and local officials believed responsible for the Flint Water Emergency. The bombshell announcement came shortly after the Attorney General's office put a new team on the investigation. Our Ann Perrette has been following the 15 cases since they were filed. She shares why a key witness is losing faith anyone will ever be held accountable.
The Attorney General's office announced the shocking decision to drop the criminal cases 1 year ago by email. In it, they made it clear journalists couldn't ask any questions. The new prosecution team did hold a community meeting about a month later, and Dr. Laura Sullivan says that didn't shed any light on what was going on. That confusion, she says, remains today.
There's all kinds of out front appearance of justice. Oh, we hear you, and this is what we're going to do. But the lived experience is so different.
Dr. Sullivan, a mechanical engineering professor at Kettering University, was deemed an expert witness in the investigation before the cases were dropped. She says the team's decision to fire former special prosecutor Todd Flood was politically motivated, and it's harming justice for the community.
It's like show, but not even effective show, to make it appear like something's happening.
Dr. Sullivan testified in the involuntary manslaughter case against a former emergency manager and city official. The new team hasn't reached out yet, so she's not sure of what they may or may not be doing. Information, she says, the community, the victims connected to these criminal cases should be privy to.
In some cases, I was in the room. In some cases, I was with residents and witnessed the difficulties that they pursued. In some cases, I was the person who became ill.
Is there even enough money to continue the work? Could this be a waste of taxpayer money? Of the 15 cases brought in 2016 and 2017, these 7 plea agreements stand. But these 8 unfinished cases are dropped, pending new evidence and further investigation.
We're never going to stop fighting. We're never going to stop being angry, but we're also probably never going to feel like we're really being given the honest truth and being treated with respect.
I reached out to the AG's office for an update on their work. They didn't have one. Coming up at 6, why a mother turned activist by the crisis believes dragging the investigation out is an effort to help people forget about it. I'm Ann Perrette, ABC 12 News.